Welcome to your VR training for car battery replacement. Let's quickly walk through this essential maintenance task. First, ensure the engine is off, the keys are removed, and you're wearing safety gloves. Safety always comes first. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal. Always disconnect this one first to prevent short circuits. Remove any hold down clamps or brackets. Then carefully lift the battery out. Batteries can be heavy, so use proper lifting posture. Now, place the new battery in the same orientation. Secure it with the hold down clamp. Great job! You have just completed a battery replacement safely and confidently using VR. Repeat the module anytime to reinforce your skills.